hi! Perfect timing. I was just about to plant these Lewisia Cotyledons from the container into the soil and in my mother's garden. And I think I found exactly the right spot for them. Let me show you. So I think 2 or 3 of them I will plant right over here. This is the bed for the herbs of my mother. You see like the rosemary, for example, the salvia back there. So yeah, Lewisia Cotyledons don't want soil that contains too much moisture, that retains the moisture for too long. And here we have a lot of stones, a lot of sand in the soil, so that's perfect. And it's also covered a little bit by this huge rose, so it won't get as much rainwater as some of the other areas in the garden. But still, it will get some sunlight in the afternoon, because Lewisia Cotyledons need, depending on the climate, full sun to part shade. When you plant Lewisia Cotyledons, especially from containers, you can just check whether there are like any spent leaves. Here, for example, you can just remove the spent leaves. And yeah, let's make some room for the plants. Yeah, you can come closer if you want to see the hole that I'm digging, and you can see the soil. So you have a lot of stones, so there is sufficient drainage in the soil, so that's quite good. Okay, and now those are all differently colored Lewisia Cotyledons. One. I will just remove the spent leaves. Yeah, I think this looks quite good, and I will add another one. So here you can see this used to be one Lewisia Cotyledon, but it has a baby that is quite big. So I will divide the mother plant from the baby. And it's not too hot at the moment, so this shouldn't be a problem. I will use this. And then I will just fill up the soil around the root ball really tight. Maybe I want another one. Oh no, I will plant some more over here. Yeah, Lewisia Cotyledons are usually found in mountain areas, so I think it looks quite good next to these flagstones. Yeah, I think the other one I will plant. Yeah, that's also very sandy soil, so again, perfect for drainage. Great, I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon. Bye bye.